Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hi guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Hello,
Hello,
good morning.
good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Mina. And you?
I am Anija. What are you studying?
I am in masters. And you?
I have passed SHC in this year. What are you from now? Where are you from now?
I am from Sherpur. And you?
I am from Sherpur. Oh, so
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and try to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Have a good time. Goodbye.